Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Bafna. Welcome to my MuleSoft training video. In today's video, we're going to talk about what is the MuleSoft and what is the capability provided by MuleSoft. So let's talk about what is a MuleSoft. MuleSoft is an integration platform as a service that helps the organization to connect data, application, devices and system that can be located on premises or in the cloud. It acts as a central hub that ensures that different technology, different systems talk to each other seamlessly, enabling automation, efficiency, and innovation across the business. So, in simple terms, MuleSoft is a platform which enable you to connect a multiple system within the organization. It can connect data, application, devices, and system. So there are few key highlights. Universal connectivity. It can connect any system, database, application, devices, whether it is located cloud based or on premises. API led connectivity approach. So API led connectivity approach is a layer architecture which advocated by MuleSoft. It's a 3-layer architecture that have system layer, process layer and experience layer. We're going to talk about this 3-layer architecture in upcoming slide. It definitely accelerates a digital transformation. It is a low code or no code platform, right? Which allow you to develop a API and integration very faster, and it reduce overall time to market, and it also accelerates a digital transformation, automation and RPA. MuleSoft also provided tool which can be used for the automation, right? So we have a MuleSoft robotic process automation, and we can use MuleSoft and Anypoint platform. Real-time data sharing. Ensure the data flow smoothly so customer, employee and partner always have up-to-date information. So MuleSoft is capable of syncing the data between multiple systems near real time, okay, or even real time. So why MuleSoft? Let's consider a business problem. Company today use hundred of applications, right? They have a CRM, ERPs, payment gateways, and many other systems, right? They have a multiple database, and often these systems are isolated and disconnected. So it's not easily to share the data across the system. Without MuleSoft, team may end up in building a point-to-point integration, custom code between the applications. We have already seen what are the limitations of the point-to-point integration in the previous video. Point-to-point integration become a very complex, maybe expensive, slow and hard to maintain after certain period of time. MuleSoft solution. MuleSoft is a centered integration platform. It connect application system data through APIs. It also promote reusability, right? Promoting reusable blocks instead of reinventing the wheel again and again. It's supporting both cloud and the on-premises system. What are the key reasons to choose MuleSoft? Faster time to market. As I discussed, it promote the reusability. It's a no code, low code platform. It provide almost 200 plus pre-built connector. It also provide lot of templates, right? So we can use those things to build the API faster, to build the capabilities faster, and it overall reduce the time to market. Reusable API. So you create the API once and reuse across the multiple projects. So once you have created API, right, so that can be reused across multiple projects, or it can be consumed by multiple partners, mobile application, web application. Scalability. Grow with your business. Work for startup, enterprise and the global organization. So it's very easy to scale your APIs, your application, right? Hybrid and multi-cloud support. So basically you can run your MuleSoft API application on premises, hybrid environment, or on the cloud, or you can also run a MuleSoft APIs and application in the container based environment using runtime manager fabric. Security and governance. Built-in tools to secure APIs and control access, ensure compliance and safety of sensitive data. So MuleSoft provide a various cryptography algorithm, right, that can be used for encryption and decryption the data. You can also secure the data at transit, and even at a rest, right? MuleSoft like ensure that whenever you expose any API that can be authorized and authenticated. It's a part of Salesforce ecosystem, seamlessly connected customer data into Salesforce, enable 360-degree customer view. Key reason to choose Anypoint Studio. So Anypoint Studio is a IDE, right, which is used to design and implement the APIs and the integration. So it provides a drag and drop capability. You can just drag and drop the component and configure them, right? Your integration is ready. That's why I keep on saying it's a no code or low code platform. Developer can create a flows to connect systems. Developer, it provide, as I discussed, provide more than 200 plus connectors which can connect to any system which is located on premises or on cloud. Anypoint Exchange, it's a kind of marketplace for the APIs, template, and the connector. So it's a kind of repository provided by MuleSoft where you can publish your own assets like connectors, template, API specification. But it also come up with lot of out of box template, industry standard solutions, APIs, and many other things, right? It is very useful like when you have a lot of APIs and you want to discover your API, right? This is the place where you can publish the API and later you can discover your APIs. It is one of the important component, a critical component which ensure the reuse of the building blocks. Anypoint Management Center. So it's a centralized dashboard for managing, monitoring, and the securing your APIs and the apps. So we have MuleSoft have a Anypoint platform, which is a cloud-based platform, right? Which where you can run your MuleSoft application. You can manage the entire life cycle or APIs. You can secure your APIs, right? So there are many things available on your Anypoint platform. It is a kind of control plane. Mule Runtime Engine. So Mule Runtime Engine, it's an engine which is used to execute your APIs and the application. It runs on-premise, it can run on any cloud, and it also MuleSoft also provide iPaaS integration platform as a service. So where you can just deploy your application into Cloud Hub or Cloud Hub 2.0. We are going to talk about more in detail in upcoming videos. Anypoint connectors. So as I mentioned, MuleSoft provide a pre-built connector to connect various major systems like Salesforce, SAP, NetSuite, Workday, various MySQL databases and NoSQL databases. API Designer is a place where you can start designing your API specification in RAML, OpenAPI spec, and async API. Runtime Manager is a place where you can deploy, manage, and monitor your MuleSoft application. Now we talk about the API-led connectivity. So MuleSoft advocate one of the approach that is known as the API-led connectivity approach, and it is an architectural style, right? It promote a layered approach with the API. It have a 3-layer architecture. It's a system API. System API generally unlocks the system of record. It connect directly to the various core systems like database, ERP, and the CRM. Process API, it's a middle layer where we generally perform the orchestration, right? We validate the data, we merge the data, right? We process the data, and we ensure if there's any business rule, right? We execute those business rule at a process API. Experience API, which is the top layer in the architecture, right? Which is a layer consumed by the external parties like third party, maybe web application and mobile application. So generally we create the external API channel specific. So generally external API is the channel specific API. So if you want to consume if the API needs to be consumed by mobile application, so you can have a mobile API in the experience layer. If you want to consume by web application, you can have a web API at the experience layer, right? So this API-led connectivity ensure the API reusability and ensure it also reduce the duplication of the API. So this is how the typical API-led connectivity architecture looks like. We have an experience API. So generally this is the API which is consumed by a specific channel. It can be mobile app, web app, or it can be any partner application. Process API, the place where we do the orchestration, we run a business rule, we validate it, we do some complex transformation, and we see it, we apply the business logic. The system API which unlocks the system of record. It connect to the backend system like database or maybe SaaS application like Salesforce or ERP like SAP to unlock the data. So this is the architecture where you can see the mobile app, web app, and the partner app is calling a experience API. The experience API call the process API. So the process API is place where the orchestration happen, like it validate the request, it enrich the request, it does a parallel call, it does a transformation to the canonical schema, it also performs some kind of complex transformation, apply business rule, right, routing. So these are the functionality has to be implemented at a process API. Then we have a system API. As I mentioned, system API unlocks the system of record connecting to backend system, SaaS applications, and various other organization applications. Benefits: reusability. You build the API once and it can be reused across the multiple projects. Faster delivery, right? It can quickly create a new API and services by using existing API. For example, you have a experience API, process API, and the system API. You want to onboard some new channel, right? Maybe you want to onboard a mobile app. You already, what you have to do, like you can just reuse the process API and the system API. You can just build a mobile API, a mobile experience API, right, which can connect to the process API and system API to unlock the data. Flexibility: easy to plug in new system, replace old one without breaking anything. Okay. Better collaboration: business and IT can work together, APIs are the clear building block. So as I mentioned, we have something called Anypoint Exchange where you can publish your API, and later even business or IT person can go and just check whether this particular API is available or not, right? So that is where the Anypoint Exchange become a very critical part of MuleSoft ecosystem. Scalability: you can easily scale your API as and when needed, right, without even without a downtime sometime. Security and the control: so as I mentioned, you in on Anypoint platform we have a API manager completely manage the life cycle of your API. So whenever you expose the API to the external partner, you can secure, you can authenticate, you can authorize those API. Reduce cost: as I mentioned, this is low code and no code platform, right? So overall, like it can reduce a development efforts, right? Yeah. So this is what I want to talk about. What is the MuleSoft? What are the capabilities provided by the MuleSoft? So apart from that, I want to talk about one more thing. So MuleSoft have a various hosting options. So MuleSoft Runtime, right, can be run on the on-premises in the hybrid mode. It have a cloud hub. It have a cloud hub 2.0. So in the cloud hub and in the cloud hub 2.0, you can deploy the application on the cloud, right? Then you have a container based architecture. So that is a runtime fabric. So basically you can set up your runtime fabric on EKS, AKS, and like Google Cloud also, right? So it provide a multiple hosting options basically, right? And also we have seen like what are the different capability provided by MuleSoft. So I just talk about the API led connectivity, but MuleSoft support all the integration patterns, right? It also support the event driven architecture. So there are many more things we can do with the MuleSoft. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.